Hi, good day everyone. Ako din si Budimonton. I am a BS IT student from Davao Oriental State University. And karon na ako video tutorial about sa Java file handling. So, in making Java file handling, nagyud tay simply task or a specific problem. So, ang task nato is make a Java code on file handling that you can add a string on a specific line. So, ang example output ani is kani. You can na siya mga pwede ka maka add og text simultaneously by ana siya. So, mao ni siya ang example output sa atong task na hinangon kani siya. So, sugdan na nato. So, ang unang step sa pagbuhat ani is syempre magbuhat og package with the name Dave Java test, which is the one, and then mag-import tag java.io and then java.scanner. So next is the second step is the class declaration, which is the public class file edit. Now, this declare a public class name kaning file edit mo ning atong class name. Next is after sa class next is the constant kaning type sa na to. Private static final string, and then the constant nato file path is equals to the atong location sa atong file, which is ang file nato is dave.txt. Now, ang next sa constant pagbuhat is tungo na punta sa, of course, the main method, the public static void main pub. Muna siya ang main method nato, which is entry point sa program nato. Next step is the scanner. The scanner initialization. The scanner equals new scanner system.in. So, ang purpose ani is scanner initialize a scanner, which is object is created to read input from the user. Next is after nato magbutang sa scanner initialization, mo proceed nata sa file handling kaning try and then curly braces file, and then file equals new file, ang atong constant the file path, and then semicolon, then mag if else, which is kinahanglan nato if else para if ever ang file is dili mag-exist, then mo adto siya sa else para kuan. So iko na to, if parenthesis file dot create new file, and then parenthesis open close, and then the curly braces system.out print file created, and then else, ayaw ko may kalimti ang kan curly braces. Now ang purpose aning if else is if ang file is wala nag-exist, then it is created an file, and ideally magprint siya file created. And if the file exists, magprint siya file exist. So after sa file handling, pag create sa file, proceed na pod ta sa pag-read sa content, which is string builder content equals new string builder, and then the parenthesis, and then semicolon, and then the try catch, wait lang, try, and then parenthesis, the buffered reader, and then space reader equals new buffered reader, and then parenthesis new file reader, and then our constant is the file path, and then curly braces, and then the string line, and then string line, and there, and then the while loop, magbutang tag while loop, while open and close parenthesis, line is equals to reader dot read line open close parenthesis, and then it's not equal to null, and then the curly braces, which next is the kani the content dot append open and close parenthesis line dot append, then and then new line, mao ni siya. So kani nga block of code is string builder initialization, string builder, which is the kaning kuan kani is created to store the file content, and then kaning purpose pod aning buffered reader kani is used to read the file line by line. Each line read the file is appended to the string builder following by a new line character. So after sa reading file content, proceed ta sa display file content, which is simply the system dot out dot print, and then the file content new line plus content, and then the semicolon. Now the purpose ani is this display content, the current content to a file printed to the console. After adding display file content, we proceed to the user decision for adding text. So kung saan na ni pag-code, simply we have to system that out that print new line. We have to ask the user na, do you want to add another string, and then yes or no. So, and then next is enter. String choice is equals to scanner that next line to lowercase. And now the user in prompt, the user is asked if they want to add another string. The response is converted to lowercase for consistency. So it means if I type lowercase na yes, pwede siya mo function siya. And if I type uppercase na yes, I think, and then proceed. Next is the adding text to a file. So we use if else and try catch and a return method. A return value. So ang pagbuhat ani is if open close parenthesis choice dot equal which is yes, lowercase yes, and then curly braces, system dot out dot print new line, enter the text to add the semicolon, and then string new string equals scanner that next line, sorry, and then semicolon. And after that, the system dot out dot print new line again para sa message na please enter what line you wish to add, then the text, then semicolon. We use the int line and then number, and then magkwantag try curly braces line number is equal line number equal integer that parse int, and then the curly parenthesis, open and close parenthesis, scanner that next line, open and close parenthesis again, and then the semicolon. And then of course kung try na dapat catch ani para di catch, open and close parenthesis, number format exception if I next Sunod is printing. If ang number is invalid, diri siya sa catch mahulog, and the system.out.println the invalid line number format, and then exiting the semicolon, and then the return. So in this code, the adding text, if the user want to add the text, the user is prompted to enter the new line, which is kani, and then sunod if tama, if gusto niya mag-enter balik, ma-proceed siya sa user. The user then ask which line number they want to insert the text at. So after ana, mo proceed din siya sa line. The line number is praise as an integer. If pressing fail, an error message is displayed and the program exists. So after adding text to a file, we proceed sa inserting a new text, which is the content dot insert, open and close parenthesis, starting line, open and close parenthesis, content dot to string, open and close parenthesis, and then comma, then line number, close parenthesis, comma, new string plus new line, and then we siya into system.out.print text added successfully, and then else the system.out.print new line, no text added, exiting. So in this code, block of code, inserting a text, the new text is inserted at the specified line number using the string line method to find the correct position. The writing to a file. A buffered writer write the updated content back to the file. And success message. A message is printed, this is kanang success message, to indicate the text was added successfully. Now, after inserting a new text nga code, diri ta sa helper method, buhatag helper method for string line calculation. How to do that is we have to write a code, the private static int, the string line, open and close parenthesis, string content, comma, int line number, int position is equals to 0, default 0, and then string array line equals to content dot split, this new line, and then for loop, the for looping of the line for int I is equals to 1 semicolon, and then I is less than 2 line number semicolon, and then I increment the curly braces, and then the position plus equals line edi ari ba I minus 1 dot length, and then opening close parenthesis plus 1, and then the semicolon, lastly aning curly braces lastly kaning after sa curly braces sa last sa loop, we should return a value, return position, and then semicolon. So ang first is string line calculation. This helper the method calculate the character position in the content where the specified line number starts. It split the content into line and iterate to them to calculate the cumulative length of line up to the specified line number. The kaning plus 1 accounts for the new line character after each line. So mao ni ang finish code. Iparano na to ulit, kitaan na to ang ano. See, nag-print siya og file created and then file content. So naunta na is, do you want to add another string? And then yes, and then enter the text to add, which is so the text is stipideo all, and then next enter what line you, let's say 1, and then so kana it says that the text added successfully, and then i-run pa nato balik para ano. Then yes, enter the text to add. Back to see, it says that do you want to add another string? Yes, let's say yes, and then enter the add to. So enter line what you wish to add, line 2. So text added. So kani gusto nato kuan i-print sa, gusto nato mag-add tag string within sa tunga aning stipideo all, and then back to you. Dapat makaprint ta sa ani sa within sa tunga ani sa center. So mga line 2 man nata ni. So yes, enter the code. Next is the line kung asa tay butang. So i-insert nato na sa center aning kani dire sa center dire kani dire. So if enter, and then line 2 if okay ba siya, and then text added successfully. Wait, ipara na to balik kung na kuan ba siya. So here you go, ni kuan siya, ni print siya sa tunga gid sa stpd you all, and then sa back to you nagprint siya sa tunga. So ang code nato is nigana. So kato lang tanan, and thank you.